What is happening? What is going on, you absolute bunch of legends? Welcome back to the channel. If you are an OG subscriber, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to create a block of cheese using geometry nodes. It's pretty easy to do, and I thought I'll just show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Shift A, Mesh, and I'm going to get a cube. And then what I'm going to do is click here on geometry nodes, click there, and then hit New. And let's go in here, let's zoom in to somewhere like that. Now you're going to click on the group input, and I'm going to delete it. So just hit delete. Then I'm going to go Shift A, and I'm going to search for a volume cube. And I'm going to plug the volume into the geometry, and we've got something like this now. Then I'm going to put this there and go Shift A and look for a Voronoi texture and plug the distance into the density. Then I'm going to bring the scale down to about 2, and the detail I'm going to bring it up to 1. Okay, then I'm going to go here and I'm going to move this here. I'm going to go Shift A and I'm going to look for a math node, and I'm going to put that in between the Voronoi texture and the volume cube, and I'm going to change this value to negative 0.4. Then what I'm going to do is go Shift A and look for a volume to mesh node. So click there and plug this in there, and you can already see how cool this looks. It's already kind of looking like a block of cheese. And then what you want to do is change this resolution. So hold down Shift and select all of them and make it 64. Okay, it just makes it look a little bit better. We can just zoom in, and then you can adjust your value, so you can make it something like that if you want it to be more, and then you can play with your scale so you get something you like. I think 2 will be pretty good. Something like that looks fine. And then what you want to do is just want to smooth everything out. So go Shift A and look for a subdivision. Shift A, subdivision, surface, boom, and plug this in there. That just smooths everything out. And then let's just move everything up somewhere like this. We're going to add 2 more nodes. So Shift A and look for a set smooth, shade smooth. So this one over here, plug this in there, and it just smooths it out. And then last thing we're going to need is we're going to need to make our color. So our cheese block color is going to be like a kind of like a yellow. So Shift A and just get a set material node. Okay, and plug this in there. And then what you want to do is go to layout, and you can see if I click there, we've got nothing. So what you want to do is just hit new and just makes this like a kind of like a yellow. You can see nothing happens. You need to go back to geometry nodes and click there and click there, and now there we go. And you can obviously find your cheese color. But that's how you create like a block of cheese in Blender using geometry nodes. So hopefully you learned something. Hopefully this was interesting. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Check out Blender Kit, link in the description. And this video is not sponsored, but I just thought I would just show you. I just thought I would mention it. Great add-on. And make sure you check out the Patreon, link in the description. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.